Following Senator Mitch McConnell's hospitalization last month, some Democrats and Republicans are publicly calling for more transparency about McConnell's condition.
And today, the candidates running for Central Kentucky's seat in Congress were asked where they stand on the situation. LDX News political reporter Carolina Buchek has that story.
Democrat Zach Dembo and Republican Ralph Alvarado faced a lot of business-oriented questions in Lexington today. But once they both got off the stage, reporters asked them about one of the biggest political stories in America right now, Senator Mitch McConnell's health. The longtime senator went to the hospital on June 14th. Now, McConnell's team has said that he is working closely with staff and improving, but they have not acknowledged the reason for his extended care. And the release of a 911 call from McConnell's home has led to widespread speculation about the senator's condition. Now, Charles Booker, the Democrat running for McConnell's U.S. Senate seat, condemned the lack of transparency. He argues that Kentuckians deserve to know more about who is representing them in office. Some conservative and MAGA influencers have also demanded proof of McConnell's condition. At Commerce Lexington's policy luncheon, a representative from McConnell's office was in the audience. However, McConnell's medical situation was not brought up. But the candidates running for Central Kentucky's seat in Congress were asked by reporters if they think there should be more transparency about McConnell's condition.
And obviously, we should not be invading someone's medical privacy, but everyone's counting on someone to serve us, and we need to know some sense of what's going on when there's not been a statement whatsoever put out from his office. We're owed that, I think.
I'm wishing him nothing but the best medically. I was a physician. I know that I think it's very important to have privacy when it comes to medical issues. I know that's something that's very big for me when I'm taking care of people that are well known. I don't like to go out and comment about their health issues or anything along those lines, so hopefully he's doing well, hopefully he's recovering.
The U.S. Senate is scheduled to return to Washington on Monday, July 13th. No word from McConnell's office on whether Kentucky's longtime senator will be there. In Lexington, Carolina Buchek, LEX News.